It's taken from the outside.
Dindo Pumaren, another triple B. Dalawang sunod ni Dindo. Si Dindo Pumaren. Baldavid.
Ang taas ng field goal percentage ni Bal David.
Oh yes. Evangelista para sa rebound. Binigay kay Pumaren. Up ahead is Bong Ravena. He knows how to finish the fast break. Bong Ravena goes wild. He's got 20 points. Mga fans ng Pure Foods dito sa Cuneta. Astrodome Hizon is open. 3-point shot. Vince Hizon.
Partner, big basket by Vince Hizon just when Gordon's need.
Nabanggit natin ang init ng panahon. Nabanggit natin ang init ng labanan nitong Gordon's Gin at Pure Foods Corned Beef. Dito po sa game number 4, nag-uumpisa po ang 4th quarter. Gano'ng kainit? Well, just a 1-point lead para sa Gordon, 68-67 in the last 12 minutes of regulation play.
Big output here by Pure Foods in the third period with 33 points.
Pero si Marlo Aquino kagad dumiscore para umpisahan ang 4th quarter para sa Gordon's Gin. Bong Ravena, double team by Jaworski and David. Jerry Cordillera binigay kay Dindo Pumaren. Good fake by Dindo, binigay kay Jerry. Jumper by Jerry Cordillera in the basket. 70-69. Halos wala po kayo mga galawan dito sa loob ng Cuneta Astrodome. Punong-puno ng tao. Bal David. Off balance shot. Bong Ravena para sa loose ball recovery. At si Ravena na mismo magbaba ng bola. Dito po rin po sa unang minuto ng 4th period. 1-point lead by Gordons. Alvin Patrimonio lamang kay Wilmer Ong. Merong illegal defense na nakita sa referee De Leon.
Warning on Gordon's Gin number 7, Sonny Jaworski.
Jaworski called for the illegal D.
O partner,
Warning pa lang.
tentative ang galaw ni Robert Jaworski. He didn't know whether he would double team or allow Alvin Patrimonio that one-on-one isolation against Wilmer Ong.
Bong Ravena ngayon, binabantayan ni Jaworski. Nakatingin kay Patrimonio. Ito si Alvin. Double team. Pumaren. Libre si Jerry. Malakas. The tap by Wilmer Ong. Napunta kay Noli Locsin. Noli Locsin is running. Bong Ravena right in front of him. Pinabayaan na lang ni Bong Ravena. Nice slide in layup by Noli Locsin.
Well, alam ni Bong Ravena, Noli locks in with a big weight advantage. Sabi niya, baka mabundol lang siya.
8 points now for Noli Locsin. Pare-pareho mga taga-Panay Island dyan. Si Bong Ravena, si Noli Locsin, si Pido Harenzo. Ito, Bong Ravena na naman. 1 second on the shot clock. And the 24-second buzzer goes off on Pure Foods. Samantala, Ray Evangelista ipapasok ni Coach Eric Altamirano para kay Chris Bolado. Evangelista has 4 personal fouls on his shoulders. 72-69. Lamang ng tatlo ang Gordons. Meron po tayo 10 minuto dito sa larong ito. Bal David inside to Marlo Aquino. Aquino lamang kay Jerry. Yes!
Partner, maganda ang execution nila, no?
Oo.
Spread offense, and then they're waiting for Marlo Aquino to cut inside the lane for the pass.
Tama-tama yung dating ng bola kay Marlo Aquino kung saan niya gusto. Evangelista! And the ball is knocked away. It will stay with Pure Foods. Tatlo kagad yung sumalubong kay Ray Evangelista doon.
Iba talaga ang defensive intensity ng
Oo.
Gordon's Gin, and they are intimidating with that kind of rugged defense.
Samantala, Dindo Pumaren from way outside. As you see this move by Marlo Aquino, ang tirang yon ni Dindo Pumaren was a 3-pointer. At meron na pong 13 points in the game si Dindo Pumaren. Bal David.
Ang taas ng field goal percentage ni Bal David.
Oh yes. Hindi ako nagkakamali, mga 2 beses pa lang naglimitis ito si Bal. Samantala, Bong Ravena, nagpit na binabantayan ni Sonny Jaworski.
Partner, kanya hindi makaporma ito si Bong Ravena because Sonny Jaworski is really sticking to him like glue and making life miserable for Ravena.
Samantala, Edmund Reyes, pinasok ni Coach Eric Altamirano para pagpahingahin si Alvin Patrimonio.
Ito si Ravena scored 10 points in the third period, but after Robert Jaworski was assigned to take him on. Hindi na naka-score si Ravenna.
Well, so far here in the fourth quarter, wala pang nai-score si Bong Ravenna. Jericho Diniera, laban kay Marlo Aquino. Fall away jumper, maikli. Loose ball foul on Noli Locsin, as Edmund Reyes already had a bead for the rebound. Pang-apat na rin yan ni Noli Locsin. Samantala, Vince Hizon comes in for Sonny Jaworski. 8:56 remaining sa larong ito.
Partner Jericho Diniera, 1 out of 5 from the floor here in the second half, and all of his shots taken from the outside.
Dindo Pumarin, another triple B. Dalawang sunod ni Dindo. At ang lamang ng Gordons tinapyas na to only 1 point at 76-75. Aldamid sinesenyas ang play para sa Gordon's Gin. Nakabang si Noli Locsin at low post, ginalik kay Wilmer Ong off to Marlo Aquino. Gordon's Gin now passing the ball around, looking for the opening. But they have only 5 seconds on the shot clock. Noli Locsin at low post against Edmund Reyes. Ray Evangelista from behind. Pero merong foul na nakita sa referee Ernie De Leon on Edmund Reyes. Talk about defensive intensity.
Ang partner, shot clock ng Gordon's Gin, halos wala na.
Oh.
And again, the power move by Noli Locsin.
So 2 shots here for Noli.
Noli in game number 3 scored 9 points.
As he said, one of the very many players, prominent players in this series who hail from Region 6. Ano yung Iloilo, Negros area doon sa may Panay. At napakarami po natin mga suki dyan. Ngayong gabi sa mga kaibigan natin dyan sa Region 6. Jericho Diniera para sa rebound. A 2-point lead para sa Gordon's Gin, 77-75. Ray Evangelista. Edmund Reyes. Pumarin. 6 seconds on the shot clock. Jericho Diniera goes for it. Uy, pumasok. Tabla na naman tayo at 77 all. Okay, dito the pace has tapered down from the torrid one that these two teams set in the first half.
Palagay ko yung energy level nila bumababa na.
Oo.
And which is also one reason kung bakit si Alvin Patrimonio is now resting on the bench. They want to preserve him for the last few minutes.
Wilmer Ong misses the shot. Uy, Jericho Diniera.
Well, he stuck out his elbow.
Oh. You know that...
Very physical kasi ang laro.
Oh, well, si Wilmer Ong na naman ang naging target doon. He's a very pesky defender. At he's out there to do just that. Get your goal. Dito Pumarin. Laban kay Baldomir. 2 seconds on the shot clock. Jericho Diniera. Wala. Ray Evangelista with the offensive rebound. At merong foul. Natatawagin laban kay Wilmer Ong, who held him down. Wilmer Ong will pick up his 5th personal foul.
Ray Evangelista, good offensive rebound position. Naku, ang daming tao rito sa Astrodome.
Yan yung mga nagbayad 9,306. Hindi po kami kasali ni Kinito dyan. Libre ka, no?
Hindi tayo nagbabayad dito. Kaya mga hindi nagbayad dito ngayon sa loob ng Coliseo.
Tayo binabayaran. Swerte talaga natin. Dindo Pumarin. Out to Jericho Diniera.
Hirap si Jerry to make a shot and
pero
he will draw the
foul.
contact.
Jericho Diniera really wanted that shot badly.
Partner, one of the few occasions where we saw Jericho Diniera try to muscle in inside. Kanina, binigit nga natin, 1 out of 5 dito siya in the second half at lahat ng tiro niya nanggagaling sa labas. I still think that he's got something in the back of his mind saying that dapat siguro he should be a little more careful because of that injury on his cheekbone.
Well, kung hindi serious yung injury niya, he wouldn't be wearing that mask. Alam natin na medyo nakaka-distract din yan. Kahit ba transparent yan, kahit na high-tech yan, siyempre medyo mababother ka rin dyan. And as you said, that injury, that fact certainly looms in his mind. Ganun pa man, Jericho Diniera already with 20 points in the game. At lamang ng dalawa ang Pure Foods 79-77 with 6:42 to go. Here in the fourth, 6:43 to go. At meron po tayong 20-second timeout na tinawag ng Gordon's Gin. With 6:43 remaining. At ang lamang po ngayon ay nasa Pure
Instead
Foods.
of Wilmer taking the shot, you got to take the shot, okay? You understand? Stop passing. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's put it together.
Side.
Medyo pinaklaro ni Coach Jaworski kung ano-anong mga papel ng iba't ibang player sa loob.
Well, narinig natin si Coach Robert Jaworski telling his boys, kung meron kang tira, take the shot, stop passing. And I think he wants to just remind them that they should not play tentative. Dapat yung aggressiveness nila nandun pa. From the very start, I think that has been the game plan of Robert Jaworski. That his boys must play with high intensity and aggressiveness.
Alfredo Hernandez certainly has been very aggressive in offense. In the first quarter alone, or first half alone, he scored 16 points. Samantala, ito na naman ang offense ngayon ng Pure Foods at si Coach Eric Altamirano. Again, signaling Dindo Pumano to slow it down. Samantala, referee Rivera sees a foul by Benny Cheng as he tried to shadow Ray Evangelista.
This will work against Gordon's Gin. Still 6:23 to go. Nasa penalty na ang Gordon's Gin with 5 team fouls.
Samantala, Pure Foods, isa pa lamang ang team foul. Jericho Diniera.
Aba, yung fourth quarter rebounds, Pure Foods, malaking lamang, 8-1.
And to think na wala pa dyan si Alvin Patrimonio for most of this time gone by dito sa fourth period. 6 seconds on the shot clock. A steal by Vince Hizon, completed by Benny Cheng. Benny Cheng pumunta sa front court. Ray Evangelista pinilit na sumundot lamang kay Vince Hizon. Tatawagan ng kanyang pang-5. Fifth personal foul on Ray Evangelista.
Well, he saw that. Nakita ni Ray Evangelista. He tried to gamble.
Ang ating pong oras na nalalabi, 5:58 in the fourth and final period. Game 4 of the best of 7 championship series. Bad pass, pero nakuha ni Noli Locsin against Dindo Pumaren. Double team on Noli. Locsin pa rin naghahanap ng papasahan nila basket Pido Harenzo. 5 seconds on the shot clock. This is steal by Bong Ravena. Ravena zigzagging to the front court. Nakatingin si Vince Hizon. Ravena pulls up. Wala. Tip in by Ravena himself.
Ang hirap na putback yun.
Oh!
Off balance, tip in by Bong Ravena. But partner, he's creating tempo here for Pure Foods.
This is the biggest lead for Pure Foods at 81-77. 4 na puntos ang kalamangan ng Corned Beef Cowboys. Hizon is momentarily open. 3-point shot. Wala. Evangelista para sa rebound. Binigay kay Pumare. Up ahead is Bong Ravena. He knows how to finish the fast break. Bong Ravena goes wild. He's got 20 points. And it is now a 6-point lead para sa Pure Foods. Meron tayong timeout.
Sakit ng katawan? Time for Alaxan. Also for rheumatism and arthritis. Even for toothaches.
4 minutes and 55 seconds mo ang natitira dito sa game number 4. Vince Hizon has it there behind by 6 points. Lamang ang Pure Foods 83 against Gordon 77.
Partner, sa tingin ko, hindi nila sineset up ito si Marlo Aquino sa low post. On that particular play, Marlo Aquino was not even looking at where the ball was and he was loitering outside.
Probably waiting for some action to come his way.
Scoreless in the last 3:30. Sa tingin ko, they should go to Marlo Aquino because he's the #1 offensive option. Again, he's going outside.
Alala ito ngayon si Vince Hizon. Over to Bal David. Ito po pwesto na si Marlo Aquino pero nakabantay sa kanya si
Ito.
Jericho Diniera. Inside pass, papunta kay Marlo. Alvin Patrimonio will give up his 4th personal foul. Kababalik lamang ni Alvin.
At partner, crucial yan. Kung makahawak ng bola ito si Marlo Aquino in scoring position or inside the lane, he will bring the double team towards him. So he can either kick out or he can get the foul or he can go for the sky hook.
4.5 minutes to go. Lamang ng 6 ang Pure Foods. Marlo Aquino at high post lamang kay Jericho Diniera. Vince Hizon attacking Bong Ravena. Hizon, nilabas ulit kay Bal David against Dindo Pumaren. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Bal David sumisenyas ng play. Noni Locsin lamang kay Edmond Reyes. Locsin muscles his way in. Kapus. Alvin Patrimonio holds on to the rebound. Dindo Pumaran setting up the play para sa Pure Foods. Jericho Diniera humihingi ng pasa. Lamang kay Marlo Aquino. So Diniera pa rin. Aquino standing his ground. May pito tayo narinig. Remember that Gordon's gin is already in the penalty. Marlo Aquino picking up his third personal foul. So dalawang free throw na naman yan para kay Jericho Diniera.
Ito ang sinasabi natin, no? The penalty situation is going to work against Gordon Jim precisely because ang kanilang class of defense is very rugged, very intimidating, and very, very physical.
Samantala, ang Pure Foods naman, tatlong team foul pa lamang. So meron pa silang dalawang personal foul. Pero malayo pa tayo dito. 3 minutes and 54 seconds.
Well, napansin natin si Robert Jaworski is there about to check in. He has been the thorn on the side of Bong Ravenna all night. At nakita siguro ni Robert Jaworski that he does not want Bong Ravenna to go wild so far dito sa fourth period. At so si Bong Ravenna has already scored 4 points.
Right. Si Bong Ravenna ang siyang nagpasiklab
Yan ang spark
nitong
plug.
breakaway ng Pure Foods Corned Beef Cowboys. At ngayon ay tumatayo na po sa 8 puntos ang kalamangan ng Pure Foods. 3 minutes and 45 seconds remaining. Vince season lamang kay Bong Ravenna. Labas kay Jaworski. Open shot. So Jaworski kapos. Nakuha ni Val David. Pero napulot naman ni Dindo Pumaran. Pumaran. Nakatingin kay Alvin Patrimonio up ahead. Binigay kay Bong Ravenna. Underneath. Look away pass kay Alvin Patrimonio. Patrimonio kay Season. Masyado malakas ang tira pero merong foul na nakita. Bubulang ta si Alvin Patrimonio sa sahig. Pero si Vince Season ay natawagan ng kanyang pangatlong personal foul.
Partner, nakita natin yung kay Bong Ravenna when he dished off to Alvin Patrimonio. I thought he might have had the shot, but again, intimidated siya ni Coach Robert Jaworski.
Remember, ladies and gentlemen, that Pure Foods has the lead in the series. 2 wins to 1. This is a best of 7. Patrimonio missing another one. Pang-apat na mintis na po yan ni Alvin Patrimonio dito sa larong ito from the free throw line. Alvin has a total of 19 points. Make that 20. Siyam na puntos sa kalamangan ng Pure Foods. This is the biggest lead for the Cowboys in this game. At buhay na buhay ang mga fans ng Pure Foods dito sa Cuneta. Astrodome Hizon is open! 3-point shot! Vince Hizon!
Partner, big basket by Vince Hizon just when Gordon's needed a shot like that.
At agad ibinaba ang amante ng Pure Foods to only 6 points, 86-80. Gaya ng sinabi natin, mahaba pa pong oras, 2 minutes and 52 seconds. Marami pang maaaring mangyari. Bong Ravenna gets the pass, pero medyo mahina yung tira. And looks in, gets it for Gordon's, binigay kay Val David. David into the front court. Binigay kay Vince Hizon, binabantayan ni Bong Ravenna.
Ito, hinahanap na si Marlo Aquino. Again, no way he could get the pass at the low post.
Samantala, offensive foul. Called on Marlo Aquino. Doon sa screen na binigay niya ay medyo bumigay yata ng siko. Nagbigay yata ng siko. Dito, panoorin natin kung ano nangyari dito. Pagdaan, ayun, sinara niya yung daanan ni...
At saka he moved sideways, no? That was an illegal moving pick set by Marlo Aquino.
Okay, doon sa ating mga fan speak, bakit hindi raw pinaglaro si Herencio kung kailang crucial ang game? Well, sa kasalukuyan, wala nga si Herencio, no? Sa loob, ayun, nakikita si Pito Herencio.
Si Pito Herencio, of course, gives you a lot of firepower. Pero sa tingin siguro ni Coach Robert Jaworski, mas kailangan yung depensa on Bong Ravenna. Which is the reason kung bakit siya naglalaro ngayon.
Alvin Patrimonio looked and found space. Walo na naman ang lamang ng Pure Foods, 88-80. What that pass! Ray Evangelista has it. Hinahabol sa ni Donnie Locsin as we go into the last 2 minutes of the game. Brought to you by new premium London Dry Gin. Just right for you. At lamang ng 8 ang Pure Foods, 88-80. 1 minute and 45 seconds left in game 4.
5 seconds in the shot clock. Tumira sa labas.
Patrimonio, Ray Evangelista. Last touch on Jaworski. Tumama sa tuhod daw ni Jaworski.
Another fresh 24 seconds para sa Pure Foods. Ang lamang nila, 8.
1:37 remaining. Pure Foods looking to erect a 3-1 lead in the best-of-7 series. Dindo Pumaren lamang kay Val David. Cross court kay Bong Ravena, binamagay ni Vince Season. Biglang tumira si Bong Ravena, wala. Narito ngayon si Val David sa pag-isip punta sa front court. Val David, nakita si Vince Season at the corner. Binamagay ni Bong Ravena, baseline drive by Vince Season. Ando si Jericho Diñera, Noli Locsin na bitawan ng bola. Narito ngayon si Dindo Pumaren, tuloy-tuloy sa front court. Val David will give up the foul.
Breakdown in offensive concentration ng Gordon's Gin. At yung depensa ng Pure Foods, holding firm, holding fast.
Ito yung pangyayari kanina. Vince Season lamang kay Bong Ravena. The drive sana si Vince Season pero nandiyan si Jericho Diñera. So napilitan lumabas si Vince Season at masyado naman malakas yung pasa. Nabitawan ni Noli Locsin. At ngayon naman si Dindo Pumaren, pinal ni Val David with 1:08 remaining. And an 8-point lead para sa Pure Foods. Pumaren. "17 points in the game para kay Dindo Pumaren. At meron pang isa para kay Dindo. Yes. And we have this timeout.
Actually, pwede rin si Dindo eh. Pero, kasi Dindo? Si Patrimonio, hindi na? Kasi si Patrimonio hindi pa...
Hayag na ang Pure Foods Corned Beef Cowboys ay lamang na sa best-of-7 series, 3-1.
Partner, yun din sinasabi natin kanina, no? Yung stamina factor. At right from the opening tip, nakita natin itong Gordon's Gin. Para silang nasusunog na bahay. And we were saying that how long can they keep it up? Because yung kanilang pace that they set in the first few minutes was truly frenetic.
Talaga namang napakabilis ng pacing. Actually, ng dalawang koponan, sumusunod ng Pure Foods sa ginagawa ng Gordon's Gin. Apparently, merong posibilidad na naubos itong Gordon's Gin doon sa kanilang mabilis na umpisa.
Hindi lang yun. Nagkaroon din sila ng foul trouble. Wilmer Ocas playing good defense and Alvin Patrimonio. And he got into foul trouble. Tapos si Alvin Patrimonio, well, nagtrabaho na si Captain.
Ito yan, dito sa second half ay maganda yung pinakita ni Alvin Patrimonio. Ray Evangelista showboating a bit. He can afford it.
And this will be the final 2 points of the game.
Yes, Noli Locsin icing the count at 94-84 at ang Pure Foods Corned Beef Cowboys ay lamang na sa seryeng ito by 2 games, 3-1. At meron na silang pagkakataon na tapusin na lahat ito sa Biyernes. Ano nga kaya? Well, mga kaibigan, matagal pa yan.